Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to add a leads to a campaign. So let's proceed with understanding what are campaign in a Salesforce. So in Salesforce, campaign are a standard Salesforce object. It is a collection of leads and the contacts who have been introduced to a specific advertising message. So we will proceed to learn how to add leads to a campaign, and we have a multiple ways to add leads to a campaign in Salesforce Lightning. So we will discuss the first way, add to a campaign on a lead record. So let's see an example and understand this concept. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in a Lightning edition. So if your account is not open in a Lightning edition, you can switch to the Lightning mode first. So in this case we are going to learn how we add the lead to the campaign using the add campaign button on a lead record in Salesforce Lightning. So let's proceed with the steps. So firstly I click on this app launcher, and here I select a marketing app. You can directly search for the tab also by typing here a lead. So but firstly I want to go to the app, so I click here for a marketing. Then here on the top we have a leads, so I click on the lead. So from here you can see all the leads, so you click here from all in the list view, so you will get the list of all the leads. So from here you have to select any specific lead to whom you want to add to the campaign. So here I select this one. So here I open this lead with the name Andy Young. So when I open it, it redirects to me the Andy Young lead page. So here you can see that when you scroll down here you get a campaign history, and next to this you have an arrow. You have to click on this arrow, and here you will get an option of add to campaign. So select this button. So search for the campaign name to whom you want to add the lead. So you can also create a new campaign if you want by clicking on this new campaign option. So here I select the campaign. So after that you have to click on a next, and then you have to set the status. So here we have a different status like sent and responded. So I set it to the sent, and finally I click on this save button. So you can see that here the campaign member was created. So the lead is successfully converted to the campaign. So now we will proceed with the next way. So we will use the add to campaign on a lead list. So let's see an example for this also. So here I open my Salesforce account in the Lightning component, and in this case we will learn to add a lead to the campaign using a add to a campaign button on a lead list. So for this, here I click on the app launcher, and for this time I select for the sales app. So I search for the sales. Here I get a sales, so I select this app. Then after that here I get the tabs, and from these tab I select the lead tab, and after that, and from here you get the leads. So I want to get all the leads. For this I click on this arrow which is in front of the recently viewed, and from this I select the all leads. So here I get the list of the all leads. So this time I select, you have to select some specific person to whom you want to add to the campaign. So here I select the person. I have clicked this checkbox, and here on the top you will get the option of add to campaign. So you have to click on this. Now you have to search for the campaign to whom you want to add it, and even you can create a new one. Suppose I want to create a new one for this. So here I click on the new campaign option. It will move to the new campaign pop-up page. So here we have to enter the name of the new campaign. So let's enter it as a test campaign, and make it active. You have to select the type. So I select it as a webinar status in progress, and if you want to add a start date and other fields you can add. These are the optional fields. Only the name is the mandatory one you have to select, and you have to click on the save option. So you can see that it automatically select the test campaign as a campaign name. Then you have to set the member status, and here I set this to the responded this time. So even you can update the existing member status, keep the member status, or override the member status. Whatever option you want you can select it, and finally you have to click on this submit option, and you can see that the test campaign was successfully updated and the one new member was added to the test campaign. It means it has successfully added the lead to the test campaign. So let's proceed with the next way. So in this time we will learn add leads from the Salesforce report. So let's see an example for this also. So here I open my Salesforce account in the Lightning component, and this time we will learn to add the lead to a campaign using a Salesforce report. For this, here you have to click on the app launcher. Either you can search for any app or you can directly redirect to the tabs, or for, but I want to select the apps, and this time I select the services. So I open the service app, and here on the top we will get the list of the tabs, and from the list of the tab I click the report, as we are going to add the lead using the report. So here the report is open. Now we have to select the specific lead report to whom you want to add to the campaign. So here you can see that here I have already a report with the name lead list report. If you don't have, you can create using a new report option. So I have already created, so I click on this lead list report. So here it open my lead list report. You can see how it's look, and here we have option of an added on the right top side, and in front of this we have an arrow. So here I click on this arrow, and here you can see that in second last option we get an option of add to a campaign. So I click on this option, and it will show me to select the campaign name. So this time I select to the new green campaign, and it's asked me to set the member status also. So I remain it as a send, and here I have clicked the submit button to add it to the campaign. You can see that adding members to the new green campaign will email you when the process is completed. So all the lead members in this lead list report are automatically added to the campaign, and after the completion of the process it sends us the mail. So now let's proceed to the next way. So now we will learn to add a lead through a campaign. So let's see an example. So here I open my account. Now I click on this app launcher, and from the app launcher I select the marketing app, and it shows all the tabs on the top, and from the list of the tab I select the campaign. So here is the campaign tab. Now it shows me the list of the recently viewed campaign. So I click on this arrow, and I select the all active campaign list. So it shows me the all active campaign. So here I open the campaign, and now when you scroll down you will get the option of add leads in a campaign members. So click on this button. It shows you the list of the lead members. So you have to click on the plus icon to whom you want to add. So here I selected the one, this one also, and I also want to add this one. So here I selected the 4, and after that you have to select on this next button. So I selected this one, and it asks you to set the member status. I set it to the received, and here you can see that here we have 3 options instead of the 2. In all the previous cases we have only 2 options as sent and responded, but in this case we also have an option of a received. So I click on this option, and this time I click on a submit button to finally do this. So here you can see that the 4 members were added to the GC product webinar campaign successfully. And note one more thing, if you are trying to add an already existing lead to a campaign, you would not able to do this as it shows you a message that you can't add it once more. So with this we have learned to add a lead to a campaign in Salesforce Lightning component. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.